Fujitsu General has been a part of the Indian ecosystem for over 2 decades, and the core of our operations has been environment, decarbonation, and at the heart of our effort is our collective belief system. India and Japan, in my experience, is one family in different countries. We are two different countries with one mother. That is Mother Nature. We have many languages, but we have one mother tongue, one promise to keep, our promise to Mother Nature. We have a huge connection from many civilizations, and I'm sure that connections will last for centuries to come if we stand for one promise: to sustain the planet by respecting it in every thought, every intent, and innovation. As a Japanese, my language might be different, but we all see the same sun, same clouds, same wind, same water. We need to speak the language of nature.